Hi students, good morning all of you. Text me all things okay? Hi students, good morning all of you. Text me all things okay? Text me audio video clear fast. Text me fast. Audio video clear. Okay. Listen. Your topic is chemical kinetics, and in previous lecture I had discussed about rate of disappearance of reactant, rate of appearance of product, rate of chemical reaction, experimental rate law, order of reaction, unit of rate constant for different order reaction, and change in conc effective rate of reaction order by order, and I am repeating all things again. Listen carefully. Listen. In previous lecture, I had discussed about rate of reaction 2A plus B convert into A to B. Listen, minus d conc A by dt is equal to rate of A and called rate of disappearance of A. I am repeating all things. Change in conc of reactant by time gives rate of the reactant, and rate of disappearance of reactant. Disappearance word used for reactant because conc of reactant decreases with time. Minus d conc B by dt is rate of B, and coefficient of AB are different, and hence both are never equal. But when change in conc by time dividing by coefficient, then it is called rate of reaction and is equal to minus dB by dt. Clear? It is rate of A, rate of B, rate of reaction and rate of reaction. Next, rate law. Rate law is equal to rate proportional to conc to the power n, where n is always experimental, and rate is equal to k conc to the power n. Rate is equal to k conc to the power n, where n is order. and n always obtained from experiment. N may be 0, negative, fractional, 1, 2, 3. Listen, K is called experimental rate constant. K is called experimental rate constant. Clear? But in case of elementary chemical reaction, power of concentration term also obtained from experiment, but experimental power always equal to coefficient of the reactant. Clear? In case of elementary. And hence, in case of elementary, listen, if reaction 2A plus B convert into A to B, how to identify elementary? Simple addition reaction. 2A plus B, A to B, and experimental rate is equal to K, conc of A to the power 2, B to the power 1. 2 and 1 obtained from experiment, but is equal to coefficient of the reactant, because it is elementary reaction and order with respect to A is 2, order with respect to B is 1, and overall reaction is third order. Now, unit of K, look at both. Unit of K is for 0 order. In case of 0, mole per liter per time is equal to rate. In case of first order, it is time inverse. In case of second inverse, mole inverse liter into time inverse. Clear? In case of third order, mole to the power minus 2 liter square into time inverse. In case of minus first order, mole to the power 2 liter to the power minus 2 into time inverse. Clear? Again, listen. Write down one thing. Unit of K for nth order. Nth for any order. N, where n is order. Unit of K is equal to, listen, mole to the power 1 minus n. Mole to the power 1 minus n into liter to the power n minus 1 into time inverse. For nth order, always keep in mind. And it is also called molarity to the power 1 minus n into time inverse. आप एक फॉर्मूला से सब पे काम कर सकते हो. अगर मान लो आपको सब अलग अलग याद नहीं रहे तो आप एक फॉर्मूला रटो nth ऑर्डर का, mole to the power 1 minus n, where n order. In case of 0 order, n will be 0. So mole 1 minus 0, 1, liter 0 minus 1 minus 1, time inverse, mole per liter per. In case of first order, n1 1 minus 1 0, mole ka power 0 1, liter 1 minus 1 0, and L to the power 0 1, and hence unit of K, time inverse. Clear? It is unit of K for nth order. Write down. Next, listen again. Rate is equal to K and conc to the power n. K is constant at constant temperature. K only depend upon temperature. At constant temperature, when conc increases, then rate increases. There are two primary factors of rate of reaction. There are two primary factors of rate of reaction. One is K, and at constant temperature, K constant. When conc increases, decreases, rate increases, decreases, either decreases, increases. It's depend upon order. When order 0, any conc to the power 0, 1, and hence in case of 0 order, due to any change in conc of first, due to any change in conc of 0 order reactant, rate unaffected. When n is equal to 1, when conc n times, rate n times. When n is equal to 2, second order, when conc n times, rate n squared times. In case of third order, when conc n times, rate n cube times. In case of minus first order, when conc n times, rate 1 by n times. Or when conc 1 by n times, then rate n times. And in case of 3 by 2 order, when conc n times, then rate n to the power 3 by 2 times. And revision of previous class. Now I will start some questions, but आप लोग मुझे टेक्स्ट करो कि क्या टोटल थ्योरी माइंड पे फिर से आ गया. टेक्स्ट मी फास्ट. Text me fast. All things clear? Text me fast. Now, question. Look at board. For a reaction, and reaction is 2A plus B convert into products. Listen, and it is clear from this reaction, it is not elementary reaction. क्योंकि आपको अगर ये देता 2A प्लस बी A टू बी, तब आप इसे एलिमेंट्री कहते. इसीलिए जब तक इसके बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देगा तो हम लोग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे. अब आप देखो, ये रिएक्शन है, याद रखना, इट इज नॉट एलिमेंट्री. डबलिंग द इनिशियल काउंट ऑफ बोथ रिएक्टेंट. लिसन, ये दोनों को डबल किया. इन केस द रेट increase the rate by a factor of 8. Clear? I am repeating. For a reaction, 2A plus B convert into product, doubling the initial count of both reactants increase the rate by a factor of 8. When both double, 2 times and 2 times. Clear? Count double. And rate increase by 8 times. Rate increase by 8 times. Clear? Now, and doubling the count of B. Doubling the count of B. Along double the rate of the reaction is. Listen. ये दोनों दो गुना किया तो पूरा रिएक्शन 8 टाइम्स हुआ. इसके डबल करने से 2 टाइम्स से रेट 2 टाइम्स हुआ. यानी इसके 2 टाइम्स करने से रेट 4 टाइम्स होगा. यस सर नो? ये कॉन्क है, कॉन्क का चेंज, और ये रेट है. इट इज गिवन, ये 2 टाइम्स इन योर क्वेश्चन गिवन. यस सर नो? लिखा है कि व्हेन बोथ आर डबल then rate increase by 8 times, count of B double, rate double, and what will be rate? अगर टोटल रेट 8 टाइम्स है, B के चलते 2 टाइम्स है, तो A के चलते 4 होगा. और अगर इसके 2 गुना से 4 है, यानी इसका ऑर्डर 2 है. आप ये कंफ्यूज मत करो कोएफिशिएंट में 2 है, तब तो समझ में नहीं आएगा. आप ये देख लेंगे यहां 2 है तब नहीं, चूंकि ये एलिमेंट्री नहीं तो फंस जाएंगे आप. आप यहां से पकड़ेंगे, यहां चूंकि हम यहां से नहीं कह सकते चूंकि एलिमेंट्री नहीं. अगर ये एलिमेंट्री होता तो फिर ये देता ही नहीं. तो यहां के डबल से 4 टाइम्स सेकेंड ऑर्डर, यहां के 2 से 2 टाइम्स फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. और अगर ऑर्डर क्लियर है, ए का ऑर्डर सेकेंड, देन रेट इज इक्वल टू के A to the power 2 because इसके डबल से 4 and B to the power 1, and it is rate equation. First option, rate equal to K, A to the power 2, B to the power 2. No. Rate K, A ka power 1, B to the power 1. No. Rate K, A to the power 2, B to the power 1. Yes. And rate K, A to the power 1, B to the power 2. No. And hence option number 3rd is correct. And text me you all. Is it clear? Option number 3rd correct, but text me fast. Is it clear? Fast. Again, text me question number 16 clear. Fast. About question number 16. Once more, okay? Text me fast. Listen. Equation is 2A plus B convert into P. And it is not elementary. And hence, in question it is given when conc of both double rate increase by 8 times and due to B rate increase by 2 times. So when due to B increase by 2 times, overall rate 8 times, then due to this 2 times and overall 8, then must be due to A 4 times. 4 2 ja 8. And rate of both double. Clear? So when conc of reactant double, rate 4 times, order will be second. And hence order of A with respect to A second and with respect to B first. So order second and first, and rate equation, rate equal to K conc to the power 2 and conc to the power 1, A to the power 2 because order with respect to A second, B to the power 1, order with respect to B is equal to 1. Next. 16. Question number 17. Look at board. The experimental data. Look at board. 2A. Equation is 2A plus B2 convert into 2AB. Look at, आप ये देखो कि ये रिएक्शन सिंपल एडिशन है और ये एलिमेंट्री रिएक्शन कहलाए. यहां पे सीधे जुड़ गया. ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में 16 में वो प्रोडक्ट दिया. अब ये एलिमेंट्री, और एलिमेंट्री में मैं फिर बोल दूं पावर एक्सपेरिमेंट से ही आता है, बट ऑलवेज इक्वल टू कोफिशिएंट. एंड हेंस इसका जब आप रेट लॉ लिखोगे तो के ए टू दी पावर 2. क्लियर? चूंकि ये कोफिशिएंट के इक्वल होगा. और B2 नॉट B, B2 चूंकि रिएक्टेंट B2 है, B नहीं है, टू दी पावर 1. एंड इट इज एक्सपेरिमेंटल रेट लॉ. रेट इक्वल टू के B2 गलत, रेट इक्वल टू के B2 पावर 2 गलत. रेट इज इक्वल टू के A टू दी पावर 2 B टू दी पावर 2 गलत. लिसन, rate equal to K A to the power 2 B to the power 1, but it in bracket it is B2 not A, sorry not B, it is B2 and hence option number is 4. Clear? Question number 17, option number 4. Next. Question number 18. For a reaction, half A, it's half A convert into 2B. Rate of disappearance of A related to rate of appearance of B. Look at board. When rate law, rate equal to rate of the reaction is equal to minus 1 by 1 by 2, that means 2. D conc A by dt is equal to 1 by 2 plus D conc B by dt. Yes or no? Because coefficient half, 1 by half, it is 2 dA by dt. But question is rate of disappearance, and hence both are equal, and not dA by dt is equal to, ये दो को आप इक्वल के अपोजिट साइड ले जाएंगे, नीचे आएगा, इट इज 1 by 4 and d conc B by dt. Clear? Minus dA by dt, option first, 1 by 2, no. Minus dA by dt, 1 by 4 dB dt, and hence it is correct. Both are minus dA by dt plus dB by dt, no. Minus dA by dt up plus ऊपर 4 है, कोफिशिएंट में नोमिनेटर में है, no. 1 by 4, and hence option number 2 is correct. Clear? Option number 2 correct. Next, 19. Question number 19. If the rate of reaction is equal to rate constant, the order. Listen, we know that experimental rate equation, rate is equal to K and conc to the power n. It is original formula for any reaction, where n is order, maybe 0, first, second, third. Question is, if the rate is equal to rate constant K. अब बताओ, रेट K के बराबर तब होगा जब ये वैल्यू 1 होगा, और ये वैल्यू 1 तभी पॉसिबल है जब यहां पे आप 0 लगाएंगे, when n is equal to 0, conc to the power 0 is equal to 1 and rate is equal to K. आपके सीई एग्जाम के लिए ये सब क्वेश्चन बहुत पॉपुलर है, ये सबको याद रखना कि when rate of reaction is equal to rate constant, then order of reaction 0. Clear? When rate constant is equal to rate, only in 0 order, और किसी में ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं. Clear? Next, question number 20. Question number 20. Which of the following reaction end infinite time? Listen. First order reaction never complete. First order reaction complete in infinite time. Always keep in mind, first order reaction complete in infinite time. ये कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा. Example, radioactivity, conversion of N2O5, ये सब conversion of SO2 I will write after some time examples of first order radioactivity process first order, and which of the following reaction end infinite time, that means first order. Always keep in mind, first order reaction complete in infinite time. Clear? Next, question number 21. The unit of rate constant for second order, मैंने आपको अभी दिया था, किसी के लिए भी आप इसी को याद रखो, हालांकि आप अलग अलग ही याद रखें. यूनिट ऑफ के is equal to mole to the power 1 minus n, liter to the power n minus 1 time inverse. In second order, n equal to 2, mole to the power 1 minus 2, liter 2 minus 1 into time inverse. That means mole inverse, liter into time inverse. Mole inverse, liter inverse. No, mole inverse, liter into second inverse. Yes. Second number, mole inverse liter into second, no. Mole per liter per second, no. Answer number 2 is correct. For second order, unit of K for second order. Clear? Next, 22 number. If the rate of reaction equal to rate constant, again same, rate of reaction is equal to rate constant. Rate of reaction, we know that rate equal to K conc to the power n. Clear? Rate is equal to K conc to the power n. When n is equal to 0, n 0, conc to the power is equal to 1, rate is equal to K. Rate is equal to K. Clear? And hence rate is equal to K only in case of 0 order. Clear? Next, 23rd number. Radioactivity or reaction of, always keep in mind, radioactivity is process of first order. Radioactivity process of first order. Always keep in mind. Most important for your examination, radioactivity process example of first order. Question number 24. 24. For a reaction, look at board. 2A plus B convert into A to B. Simple addition, and it is elementary reaction, and hence rate law, rate is equal to K conc of A to the power 2 obtained from experiment but equal to coefficient because it is elementary, and B to the power 1. Look at both. 2AB no, A to the power 3 no, A to the power 1, B to the power 3 no, K A to the power 2, B to the power 1 first, and hence option number 4 is correct. Clear? Next, 25. Question number 25. Rate of 2N2O5. Look at both. N2O5 convert into 4NO2 plus O2. अब देखो भाई, ये डाटा आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. जैसे मैंने कहा कि रेडियो एक्टिविटी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का एग्जाम्पल है, वैसे ही आपको याद रखना है. ये हमको याद रख, चूंकि ये ऑर्डर यहाँ 2 है, बट ये पावर 2 नहीं जाएगा. ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का रिएक्शन है, डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. चूंकि ये रिएक्शन को आप, ये अभी बैलेंस के लिए लिखा, एक्चुअली ये ऐसे है, N2O5 2NO2 और प्लस हाफ 2, और इसीलिए ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का एग्जाम्पल. इसीलिए जब भी इसका रेट लिखाएगा, रेट इक्वल टू के conc ऑफ N2O5 टू दी पावर 1. conc of N2O5 to the power 1. conc of N2O5 to the power 1. Always keep in mind, decomposition of N2O5 and name of N2O5 डाइनाइट्रोजन पेंटाऑक्साइड. आपको लैंग्वेज में भी दे सकता है क्वेश्चन कि डीकम्पोजिशन ऑफ डाइनाइट्रोजन पेंटाऑक्साइड इज एग्जांपल ऑफ. ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड फर्स्ट. आपसे और पूछा जा सकता है कि इस रिएक्शन का इसका यूनिट क्या होगा, इसके रेट कांस्टेंट का यूनिट. तो ऑलरेडी अगर मुझे मालूम है कि ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का एग्जांपल है, तो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर के के का यूनिट होता है टाइम इनवर्स, सेकेंड इनवर्स, मिनट इनवर्स, ईयर्स इनवर्स, दैट मींस टाइम इनवर्स. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. 26. If the reaction between A and B to give C, listen, A plus B gives to C, shows the first order. Listen, ये overall reaction first order kinetics in A, shows first order in A. That means order of A is given, order of A equal to 1, and second order of B is given, is equal to the rate equation. Listen, अगर ऑर्डर ही क्लियर है तब तो आप रेट लिख सकते हो, रेट इक्वल टू के, एंड रेट इक्वेशन में कौन का पावर ऑर्डर होता है, और इन योर क्वेश्चन गिवन ऑर्डर ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ बी इज इक्वल टू 2, एंड हेंस रेट इक्वेशन a का पावर 1 b टू दी पावर 2, a का पावर 1 b हाफ नो, a का पावर हाफ b1 नो, a का पावर 1 b टू दी पावर 2 यस, सेकेंड में a टू दी पावर, कहोगे सर यहाँ पे 1 1 है, 1 1 से रिएक्शन नहीं चलता है, पावर हमेशा एक्सपेरिमेंट से आता है 1 and 2। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 27। For the first order reaction, half life given, the time required the initial conc of 1. Listen carefully. For first order reactant, T half is equal to 0.693 by K. 0.693 by K. K is constant and it is also constant. That is T half is equal to constant. And it means independent from only in first order, not 0 second. In first order, half life is 0.693 by K, and it is independent from conc of the reactant. That is, any conc of first order will be half in fixed time. If half life of first year 5, let us half life 5, then 1 gram into half gram in 5, 10 gram into 5 gram in 5, because half life is constant. Clear? And in this question, half life given 14 seconds. Half life is 14 seconds. Okay. Next, the time required initial conc reduced to 1 by 8. Listen, अगर ये 14 सेकेंड ऐसे देखो कैसे करेंगे फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव, और लिसन आप यहीं पे 27 में देख लो, इस तरह का एक क्वेश्चन मैं आपको गेस करता हूं, मुझे 50 क्वेश्चंस करना है। केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम का मैंने 5 ही एरिया आपको दिया है, मैं डिस्कस कर चुका हूं, आगे फिर भी मैं डिस्कस करूंगा, लेकिन हाफ लाइफ ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर मैं सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पे रखता हूं कि फर्स्ट ऑर्डर के हाफ लाइफ के इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आएगा। अगर हाफ लाइफ 14 सेकेंड है तो कोई भी अमाउंट हाफ होने में 14 सेकेंड, एक को आधा होने में 14 सेकेंड और आधा को 1/4 होने में भी 14 सेकेंड। लुक एट बोथ, 1 अगर 1/2 हुआ, हाफ हुआ, हाफ लाइफ एंड गिवन 14 सेकेंड। क्लियर? 1/2 अगर 1/4 होगा, 1/2 का 1/4 ये भी 14 सेकेंड, एंड 1/4 नौ 1/8 होगा, ये फिर आधा होगा इन 14 सेकेंड। और इन योर क्वेश्चन गिवन कि इनिशियल 1/8, तो 14 14 14 एंड 1 हाफ लाइफ, सेकेंड हाफ लाइफ, थर्ड हाफ लाइफ, and total 14 14 14 will be 42 seconds, and hence time will be 42 seconds, not 14 to the power 3, not cubic nahi, 3 times, and hence 42 seconds. Again I am repeating, any amount of first order reactant will be half in particular time, and which time is called half life. If half life, if in a question half life 5 seconds, the 5 5 5 answer will be 15 seconds for 1 to 1/8. Clear? Most important question number 27. आप पहले मुझे ये बताओ, टेक्स्ट करो 27 के बारे में। 27 का आंसर क्लियर, और क्या ये टर्म क्लियर है कि हाफ लाइफ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का कांस्टेंट होता है, कोई भी अमाउंट हाफ होने में इक्वल टाइम लेगा और वो हाफ लाइफ। राइट डाउन और मुझे टेक्स्ट कीजिए फास्ट। Text me about question number 27 fast. Text me about question number 27 fast. (27) clear? Yes. Is this only for first order, not for zero? Because it is half-life of first order. I'll discuss half-life 0, first, second, third, but it is only for first order. Half-life of zero order A by 2K. When conc increases, half-life increases in zero order. Half-life of second, 1 by K. That means when conc increases, half-life decreases in second order. Look at boot. Listen. Order T half listen, relation between T half and conc. Look at board. Zero order, half life T half is equal to A by 2K, and hence T half proportional to A to the power 1 minus 0. That means A to the power 1. First order, T half is equal to A by 2K. Now, first order, T half is equal to 0.693 by K, and it is T half proportional to A to the power 1 minus 1, and 1 minus 1, 0. And for second order, T half is equal to 1 by K, and it is T half proportional to A to the power 1 minus 2. And in third order, T half is equal to 3 by 2 Ka square, and hence T half proportional to 1 minus 3. Clear? Zero order, first order, second order. Half life. And hence T half 1 minus 1 in first order, independent from conc of reactant, and hence any amount will be half in particular time, and which time is called half life, because half life of first order reactant independent from conc of the reactant. Next, question 28. For first order reaction, rate constant always. First order, time inverse. Rate constant always time inverse. Liter per mole per time. It is for second order, mole per liter per time. No, none of these. It is only for first order, time inverse. Clear? Time inverse. Next, 29 number. Rate constant of a reaction K. Listen, K is given. Look at board. K is given 175 liter square mole to the power minus 2 into second inverse. Listen, what is the order? देखो, आपको K दिया हुआ है, ये आप यूनिट से पकड़ो. तो मैंने लिखा अभी, अगर आपको नहीं याद है तो आप ये याद रखो, मोल टू दी पावर 1 माइनस एन, लीटर टू दी पावर n माइनस 1, एंड सेकेंड इनवर्स या टाइम इनवर्स. अब बताओ, यहां पे लीटर का पावर 2 है, तो ये 2 तब होगा जब n का वैल्यू आप 3 करोगे. 3 माइनस 1 2. यहां मोल माइनस 2 है, ये माइनस 2 तब होगा जब यहां 1 माइनस 3 होगा, तब माइनस 2 होगा, एंड हेंस n is equal to 3, then K equal to this, and hence order of reaction is third. Clear? Order of reaction third. Next, question number 30. 30 number, rate constant for nth order. मैं बार बार लिख रहा हूं, K for nth order, K for nth order. Nth order. Always keep in mind mole to the power 1 minus n, liter to the power n minus 1, and time inverse. Mole to the power 1 minus n, liter 1 minus n, no, liter n minus 1. Mole to the power 1 minus n, liter 1 minus n, second inverse, no. Mole to the power 1 minus n, liter n minus 1. Liter n minus 1 and second inverse. Option number third. Clear? 31. Question number 31. Unit of rate constant for zero order. Always keep in mind zero order unit of rate constant and K always equal mole, because in zero order rate equal to K, Kong to the power 0 is into 1, unit of K equal to unit of rate, and hence mole per time inverse, no, mole per liter per time, yes. Third number, liter mole per time, mole per liter, mole inverse, no, liter mole per second, no, and hence mole per liter per time. Always keep in mind in first order unit of K and unit of rate are equal. Next, question number 32. Question number 32. Question number 32. What is the unit of rate constant for third order? For third order, unit of rate constant mole to the power minus 2 liter square time inverse. Mole to the power minus 2 liter square time inverse, mole to the power, इसमें ऑप्शन गलत है, आप इसको लिखेंगे. Mole to the power minus 2 liter square time inverse for third order. ये इसमें मोल टू दी पावर माइनस 2 लीटर स्क्वायर टाइम इनवर्स, यहां पे कर दो लीटर स्क्वायर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, करेक्ट ऑप्शन 32. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 33. 33. The unit of a specific reaction rate constant. Listen, K is called K is called normally rate constant or experimental rate constant or velocity constant, and it is also called a specific rate constant. Now, if in your mind it arises, why a specific rate constant? Because K has different unit for different order. For zero order, mole per liter per time. First order, time inverse. Second order, mole inverse liter time. That means specified for different order. And hence a specific rate constant, particular, and called for first order, always second inverse. In first order time inverse, that means second inverse. Clear? For Topic is unit of a specific reaction rate. A specific reaction rate constant. A specific reaction rate constant of first order. So for a specific reaction rate constant, time inverse. Next, 34. The unit of rate constant for second order. Again, for second order, mole inverse. Mole inverse liter into time inverse. Mole inverse liter into second inverse. Option number first. Question number 35. The unit of velocity constant, K also called velocity, for zero order. Zero order, listen. Rate is equal to K conc to the power 0. Rate is equal to K. And what is rate? Change in conc by time by coefficient. In case of unit, no need of coefficient. That means conc into time inverse. Concentration into time inverse. Yes, correct. Conc ka power -1 into time. No, because unit of K is mole per liter. Mole per liter per time. And it is conc. That means conc by time. Conc inverse no. Conc into time square no. And it is conc into time inverse. And hence also called mole per liter, because conc means mole per liter. Next, 36. Unit of first order rate constant. Many times repeated. Option number 2. Time inverse. Time inverse. That means second inverse. Question number 37. The rate constant of a reaction found to, listen, rate constant 37, K is equal to, look at board, K is equal to 3 into 10 to the power -3 mole per liter. That means mole per liter per minute. Mole per liter per minute. And it is यूनिट फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर. आप वैल्यू नहीं देखिए, आपको वैल्यू से आंसर नहीं निकले, हमसे सिर्फ ऑर्डर. तो हम लोग को ये इसीलिए याद रखना है कि इट इज ओनली फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर एंड हेंस ऑप्शन फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट. टेक्स्ट मी अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. इज इट क्लियर? लिसन, K is given, but K is given with unit, and this unit only applicable for zero order reactant and hence order of reaction 0. Text me about question number 37 first. (27) clear? No. 37. Text me fast about 37 number question. Text me fast about question number 37. 37. Question number 35 once more. Okay. Question number 37 clear. Question number 35. Again. Question number listen, it is very simple. For zero order, many times I have discussed zero order. Zero order means rate is equal to K and conc to the power 0, and rate is equal to K because conc to the power 0 is equal to 1. The unit of K is equal to unit of rate. Unit of rate. And what is rate? Change in conc by time into coefficient. Coefficient is numerical value. Coefficient is numerical value. Change in conc, and change in conc, that means unit of conc. The unit of conc are dividing by time. So what will be unit? The conc into time inverse. What will be unit? Unit of left side equal to right side. Conc by time. So conc into time inverse. Conc into time inverse. Very simple. And many times I have discussed unit of K for zero order mole per liter per time, and mole per liter is conc. Conc into time inverse. Only for zero order K. And always keep in mind, in zero order, unit of rate constant and unit of rate of reaction always equal. Clear? Next. Question number 38. The unit of rate constant for second order. Listen. In second order, rate is equal to K and conc to the power 2. It is second order. Yes or no? K is equal to rate by conc to the power 2. K is equal to mole per liter. That means conc to the power 1 into time inverse and dividing by conc to the power 2. Conc and conc square. One conc cancel, and in bottom side, one conc, and it is called conc inverse into time inverse. For second order, molarity inverse and time inverse. Conc time inverse no, conc inverse into time inverse, and hence second. Conc into time inverse no, conc into time, देखो time inverse for zero order, conc inverse time inverse. Second order, conc into time inverse. First order, conc to the, when order will be 3, then it will be conc to the power -2, and time inverse, it is for third order. And for second order, conc inverse, time inverse. Next, question number 39. The rate constant of a chemical reaction has unit. Listen, K has unit. Unit of K is given. K has unit liter per mole second inverse. That means it may be written as mole inverse liter into second inverse, and it is only for second order, and hence always answer second order. Clear? Now, question number 40. Question number 40. The rate constant for first order. Listen, K is equal to 2 into 10 to the power -2 minute inverse. It is given. It's a half-life period, and it is given what will be half-life. We know that T half of first order is 0.693 by K. 0.693 by K. And K is already given. 0.693 dividing by, look at board, K. K is 2 into 10 to the power -2 minute inverse. And when minute inverse, ऊपर ले जाके इसको आप कर दीजिए मिनट. Now, what will be answer? Look at board. Look at board. आप देखो, आप इसको अगर करोगे, यहाँ पे 0.693 है, नीचे 0.2 है. इसको अगर मन हो, मैं यहां लिखता हूं. लुक एट बोर्ड. टी हाफ इज इक्वल टू, मैं लिख दिया 69.3 बाई 2, और ये जो 10 का पावर -2 कैंसिल. अब आप इसे कैंसिल करोगे, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, एंड 1 आएगा, 2 6 जा 34.65 मिनट, नॉट मिनट, चूंकि ये मिनट इनवर्स है, ऊपर जाके मिनट, तो 34.65. Text me about question number 40. Fast. Text me about question number 40. Fast. About question number 40, text me. 40 number, is it clear? फास्ट 40 नंबर क्लियर, ओके। लिसन, ड्यू टू दुर्गा पूजा फेस्टिवल स्टूडेंट्स कम आप लोग ऐड हो रहे हैं लाइव में, और अभी यहां भी हम लोग का आज सप्तमी है, तो शाम से साउंड चारों तरफ जो पूजा होता है उसमें साउंड बहुत बजेगा, तो सप्तमी अष्टमी नौमी साउंड प्रॉब्लम रहेगा। तो आज तो मैंने क्लास ले ही लिया, तो अष्टमी नौमी और दसवीं, दसवीं का भी यहाँ बहुत भीड़ होता है, तो दशहरा में ये दसई, नेपाल में हम लोग दसई बोलते हैं, दसई में आपको लाइव क्लास, जो 3 क्लास ये लाइव है, ये हम लोग ऑफ रखते हैं। और मतलब आपका अष्टमी, नौमी और दसवीं, और आपके ग्रुप में मैं आपको नेक्स्ट लाइव क्लास का मैसेज दूंगा, लेकिन आप इस लाइव क्लास के बेनिफिट्स को मुझे आप जरूर लिखें कि आपको क्या बेनिफिट्स हो रहा है और हम आपके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं। लेकिन मेरा जो कमिटमेंट है कि 4500 क्वेश्चंस एंड आपका उसी 45 से 50 क्वेश्चंस आएगा, सेम टाइम पे मैं बात कर रहा हूं, मुझे कोई बड़ा क्वेश्चन नहीं, आपके पैटर्न पे हम बात कर रहे हैं। कभी कभी आप देखोगे कि मैं रिपीट मार रहा हूं क्वेश्चन को, इसका कारण है कि आपको याद रहे, मुझे 4500 से ही 50 आपसे बनवाना है। केमिकल कैनेटिक्स में अभी 2 क्लास और लग जाएगा, अगर बड़ा क्लास ले लिए आफ्टर दसई तो आपको 1 क्लास में करेंगे, नहीं तो 2 क्लास में करेंगे, लेकिन आगे क्लास ड्यूरेशन बड़ा करेंगे। लेकिन केमिकल कैनेटिक्स के बाद जो मेरा चैप्टर होगा वो होगा पीरियोडिक टेबल। इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का फर्स्ट चैप्टर ले लेंगे, पीरियोडिक टेबल मतलब क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन ग्रुप पीरियड। उसी में मैं आपको एटॉमिक साइज, आयनिक साइज, आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी, इलेक्ट्रॉन निगेटिविटी, बहुत सारा जो टर्म है और जो आपके यहाँ एक क्वेश्चन बहुत आता है, उस पर हम लोग बात करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच, और आप सबों को इस दुर्गा पूजा की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।